The YUQUESEN 21V Cordless Leaf Blower boasts an impressive high-speed turbine motor capable of reaching rotational speeds up to 980,000 revolutions per minute, ensuring powerful and efficient leaf clearing. Equipped with two 21-volt, 4,000 mAh batteries and a fast charger, this leaf blower offers extended operation time and quick recharging for uninterrupted yard maintenance. Weighing just over 1 pound, the lightweight design of this cordless blower makes it easy to handle and transport, perfect for quick cleanups and detailed tasks around the home. This electric leaf blower includes a built-in temperature control protection device, enhancing battery safety and longevity by preventing overheating during operation. The user-friendly design of the YUQUESEN leaf blower ensures convenience in storage and transport, making it a versatile tool for cleaning leaves, dust, and debris from various outdoor surfaces. Backed by a responsive customer service team available 24 hours a day, this product guarantees user satisfaction and support for any inquiries or issues.